Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. And this is your 3 p.m. update. Currently, we got all the indices, U.S. indices trading lower. Dow's down by 93, S&P's off 14. You've got the NASDAQ 100 down 55, Russell's off 27. The Russell is the biggest loser percentage-wise, down 1 2/10%. To the downside, spot volatility trading out at 22.05. That's up 55 pennies. Gold's up $1. Silver down 22 cents. Silver's really been holding up well. We can take a look at that. Silver versus gold by taking a look at the two time frame charts on the center panel. In the very right hand, where my cursor's at, is silver. You can see it's just been trading sideways, just hanging out, trying to bust above resistance being 27.53. Whereas gold has been in a downtrend. So you've got silver in an uptrend, gold in a downtrend. There was a nice little rising trend line here that gold has tested and rejected. So yes, it has tested and rejected 1771. You're trading at 1773. By the way, a close below 1771 says we're headed much lower out there. And we'll take a look at that during Tom's show. I'll fill in for Tom. U.S. dollar index is just consolidating with inside its daily profile out there. Support at 90.27, resistance at 91.45. If you take a look at the ES mini out here, still trading above the top of its daily profile, 38.62, so it hasn't confirmed any kind of bearish message or anything. The spot volatility index has also not cooperated, meaning that it has tested and rejected the 50-day exponential moving average. That's printing at 23.74. You're at 22.08. The S&P 500 never gets motoring to the downside unless it is trading above the spot volatility index, that is trading above its 50-day exponential moving average. The NQ so far has tested and rejected the top of its daily profile. So the question that we have to answer is this just your basic 3-day knee-jerk reaction inside the NQ, and that the low has been put in. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at that, or what to be watching for during the overnight session or during the afternoon session. We still have an hour left in the day to give you some type of clue as to whether or not that is going to take place. If you take a look at the 30-year Treasury, that's trading lower below the bottom of its daily and weekly profile, still suggesting lower price. And natural gas wanting to get up to 337. Today's pullback, just a test of a descending trend line that price had closed above. Oftentimes, that was resistance. You pull back. Now, old resistance has become support. Folks, stay tuned for the Tom O'Brien Show. I'm Steve Rhodes. I'll be filling in for him. But if you're off to start your Thursday, have a terrific one. Thanks so much for being here.